Welcome back, guys. This is Srewolf here. I got a brand new video where we play duels, and basically we just had 3 teams of 2 people, and each team just tried to get the most kills as much as possible. I hope you guys enjoy.
This is gonna be fun.
You do notice that my footage is a little shaky. It's because the stability was turned off somehow, so I do apologize about that. This round, my friend Matthew let me use his SSR15 from Novritsch, and yeah, I really like it. My first impressions of this rifle was that it had a much beefier, much snappier sound to it than most AEGs do.
Oh got no spare reloader for this, so it's just 6 rounds. Oh yeah.
Worst case, best case scenario, you'll use this. Just be treated with, like it's gold, liquid gold. Playing with the Novritsch SSR5. The electric trigger, the flat. I like it.
It was the 15, not the 5, and it did not have electric trigger board. It is just the standard version. Either way, I really enjoyed playing with this gun. It was a lot of fun.
If you want to go sneaky, I could be a diversion. Try to let you get a knife kill. We'll get you in the woods, not too far in.
Camper team, are you ready?
Yeah.
BMW team.
I know. I just wanted to answer for him.
Alright. Fire team, scream as hard as you can. Can you hear anything?
No.
Alright, well, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Sorry for all the heavy
Stay
breathing.
close, because if you die, I gotta respond. Let's see. Here, let's go here. Oh, fuck. Fuck. You see that over there? Go around there and aim towards the white building. You're not? Oh, okay, okay.
Come to find out, his gun was malfunctioning, and he was just walking back to get something different.
Oh shit. Can't blind fire. No, can't blind fire.
Blind man is when you're shooting your gun, but you're not looking down behind the barrel. You're just pointing the gun and shooting without even looking. That is blind man. You cannot do that in Airsoft.
Oh,
the rules in Airsoft about blind fire is that you have to have your face looking down the barrel of your gun. You cannot
Wouldn't
just
matter.
hold
I got
your
a mask
gun
on.
out and shoot people.
Dead man walk
you
up.
have to actually be able to be shot at the same time.
If you get hit, you're out, right?
Huh?
If you get hit, you're out, right?
No, no, no. There's, you just go back to base and respawn.
Oh, okay. Right.
Your back to base is in the corner.
Yeah, because those guys hit me over there.
Yeah. And then theirs is the camper and ours is the BMW.
Oh shit, I basically went to it.
Fatality.
You're dead. He knifed you.
I got
Silent kill. You can't say nothing.
my teammate, his gun is
Yeah, I about shot him too. All right, going back to base.
The one things I did notice about this gun I didn't like is that the switch between semi-auto and full auto was really easy to bump and switch
back in the game?
to the opposite of what
All right,
you
go back
want.
to your base.
So you constantly had to keep paying attention to make sure you were in semi-auto, because we don't allow full auto unless
And,
you're an LMG.
This is our
Just
spawn
so-
point, so you can't camp here. Just to let you know.
Now we're going to approach the black building and clear out all the enemy players inside. The reason I'm not moving is because I hear somebody's footsteps, and I'm trying to listen to see where they're coming from and waiting for the ambush. I know if I keep advancing, they will hear my footsteps and give my position away, and that's the last thing I want to do.
Good game.
man.
Target eliminated.
You all right? Oh, both of you dead? Good shit, good shit. I like your gun.
I kind of feel bad because it's his own gun.
I like your gun.
Yeah, I know. It's a beautiful thing.
It is gorgeous.
I do have to say, after playing with the Novritsch SSR15, I actually really like it. It's got a really good
I'm your
snappy
teammate, don't
sound,
shoot
real
me.
deep. It's don't got that higher pitch motor sound.
Huh?
And it is accurate, very easy to work with,
Are you
very
about out?
comfortable to shoot, very lightweight, and
on, hurry,
yeah,
hurry,
it
hurry.
seemed like overall really good gun. So if you're thinking about getting the Novritsch SSR15, I would recommend it.
Watch this side.
And unfortunately, this is the last part of the video because the last part of the game was not recorded due to it, either the battery dying or it was getting overheated. I'm not sure, but either way, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.